Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, I really appreciate the commitment to road safety from the governments of South Mediterranean countries. I would like to express my support of the EuroMed Transport Support Project efforts to improve data management and its comparability across Mediterranean. The timing for these regional workshops followed an expressed interest by the global community in developing regional road safety observatories. In fact, 7 countries in the African region signed the Dakar resolutions in February 2018, marking their support towards an African road safety observatory. There could be a similar opportunity in the Mediterranean region. Furthermore, the recently adopted resolution on improving global road safety highlights the need to monitor our progress towards our global targets. SDG Target 3.6 calls for halving the number of road traffic deaths by 2020, and 11.2 calls to provide access to safe, affordable, accessible, and sustainable transport systems for all by 2030. I'm delighted that recently adopted UN General Assembly resolution also welcomes the establishment of the UN Road Safety Trust Fund aimed at supporting countries in achieving above targets. As we learned over the years, reliable and consistent road crash data is required to achieve significant progress and major impact. There are obvious gaps in the data that currently exists. For example, between the WHO estimates and the country reported figures. More efforts are needed to fully understand and bridge these gaps. I hope that you will address some of these issues, including harmonized use of definitions and indicators during the meeting. I highly value a closer cooperation and exchange of experiences between EuroMed countries and key agencies aimed to address this important topic. I would like to reiterate my support of your efforts and wish you a successful meeting. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to seeing you soon again.